So guys, I'm making this video on the 4th of October. But this message, you can see that it came to me around was in September 29th. So that'll be around 6 days or 5 days now. Okay. So this is a message. It says, hi, the marvelous. A drawdown event has been triggered in your Maven trading account, resulting in the close of all open trades. Well, you didn't pass your Maven challenge. This time you didn't want to ruin your confidence, as you know trading takes time, determination, and effort. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither a trading skill. You try the challenge. All these ones, they are not very important to me, right? But what I want to say today is that the Maven 2K Pro from account that I bought, I successfully lost. Let me show you guys how it all came about. This is the account. This was the account, right? You realize that my trading was terrible. I started off with a few losses, and then I had these 2 huge wins. Apart from these 2 huge wins again, I never had a winning trade in my life again. And it's crazy. Very, very crazy. So the account is finally, you can realize that there's just a lot of rest. Like, this was how terrible my trade is. So what is going to happen here is that now that this account is lost, I want to go and get a demo account from Xness. I want to get a demo account from Xness and then trade that demo account and then use it to build my confidence back and see how the trading plays out. So so let me show you guys how I'm going to get the account from Xness. Guys, this is my Xness. This is my Xness account. You realize that these are the demo. This is the demo area. This is the real area. The real, I have a lot of accounts. Those times I used to trade currencies. So one thing is that this is the demo area. I want to start trading demo again. The reason why some of you will say, oh, why are you trading demo? If you say you are a profitable trader, you see, my system has been playing against me all this while through this final account. People can see the track record, right? It's very bad. So I want to find a reasonable amount of demo and then play with it and see how well I can be able to trade with it. You see, people have their say against demos and say demo account is not real and stuff. But one thing about demo is that it is you simulating how you will feel if it's your own real money. So I'll reset this balance back to thousands. I want to use 1,000 CDs and then play with that money and see how it play out. So let me set the balance to 1,000 Ghana cedis. People say 1,000 Ghana cedis is very small, but it is what it is, right? So 1,000 Ghana cedis. Let me set the balance. I was setting the balance, but the balance for this account is not really setting, right? So what I want to do is I want to open a new demo account right now for people to see. You guys should register with Xness. Xness is arguably one of the best. What's the name? One of the best brokers I've ever seen. They have good spreads. They have good commissions. They don't have any commission. Their margins and leverages are very great as well. So I'll take a standard account. Then I'll do continue. Then I'll go demo. I'll not use US dollars. You see, one thing about demo trading is that people will go and take a $1 million demo account. It will not feel real to you because $1 million is money you don't have. So the demo account should also be equal to an amount you feel in yourself that this is an amount that I have or I can have. So I'll change this to Ghana cedis. And then I'll change this account to what? 1,000 Ghana cedis. 1,000 Ghana cedis is an amount that I have. It's an amount I can be able to afford. So let me do the password. So because I don't want you guys to see this password, let me Joey's demo. Let me just do the settings and then get back to you guys. Okay guys, account is created. Let me nickname this account, let's say let me use just checking on my skills. Done. So let me save it. Okay, so now if I'm vlogging, this is the account I'll be trading, and then use it to see whether my skill is back on again. And then once I realize that I'm so confident in my skill set, then I'll deposit real amount of money, and then I'll continue trading that account. So let me log in into that. Let me log in this account onto my MetaTrader 5 and get back to you guys. So guys, you see that login is successful. This is the account. This is a whole account, right? This is a whole account. So you realize that just checking on your skills is a demo account. I never said anywhere it's a real account, it's a demo account. So this is it. You realize that the account balance is 1,000 cedis. These are the instruments. I'll definitely update this instrument into what's the name? I'll definitely update this instrument to the instruments that I used to trade. So that's it guys. I would continue to update you guys. Trading has been really tough for me these few weeks, but let's see how it play out. Let's see how it play out. Let's see how it play out guys. I'll continue to update you guys.